hey, you're over 35 years old, you're a male, you're active, you are at risk for an Achilles rupture, which is gnarly, no joke. I'm gonna help you prevent it. And let's start with understanding what shortens the Achilles, specifically shoes. The Achilles here is your foot's on the ground, it's long. But when you start adding a lift in a shoe, for example, you're gonna add now about 1.5 inches, you see it start to curl right here. It's like wearing a dress shoe or wearing a Hoka. It gives you that much heel lift. So the higher the heel is, the shorter, the more slack the Achilles accumulates. But the body hates slack. Through something called contracture, the body will tighten this muscle in the shortened position. Therefore, when you go back to being barefoot, or when you run or something and your knee goes forward, that now shortened state of the Achilles puts you at high risk for rupture. So, you want to switch to something minimalist. A Vivo barefoot shoe, it keeps your foot flat on the ground. It's going to help keep your Achilles in a lengthened state. And on top of that, you want to do all your warm-ups where you can properly warm yourself up by doing different stretches for the Achilles, different stretches for the gastroc, even getting this foot up here, even a little more, and leaning forward into this. Switching shoes, getting a good warm-up routine on your Achilles is going to help you prevent one of the gnarliest injuries out there.
Only you can.